In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group by month in a Salesforce report, which is a useful skill for anyone looking to analyze data trends over time. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or new to the platform, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to achieve this goal efficiently and effectively. First things first, we're going to start by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Make sure you're logged in and ready to follow along, as we'll begin by accessing the necessary tools from there. Now, once you're on the homepage, locate the App Launcher. This is usually represented by a grid icon or simply labeled as App Launcher. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where we can access all the apps and features Salesforce has to offer. Now that you've opened the App Launcher, our next step is to find and click on Reports. Reports are a central feature in Salesforce, allowing you to organize and display data in a way that makes sense to you and your team. With this feature, the possibilities for data interpretation are vast. After clicking on Reports, you'll find yourself in the Reports section of Salesforce, surrounded by various options. Now let's move on by choosing New Report. This will allow us to create a report from scratch, giving us the flexibility to design it to meet our specific needs. Clicking New Report opens up the Report Builder, a tool designed to make report creation intuitive and straightforward. From here, we're going to select Opportunities. It's essential to note that this is just an example for demonstration purposes, and you can choose a different section if your needs are different. With the Opportunities section selected, click on Continue. This step confirms your selection and allows the report builder to load with your chosen parameters. Now, we're getting to the heart of our task, grouping data by month. You'll want to find Close Date within your report setup. Once you've located it, drag Close Date into the Groups section at the top of the report builder. This action will organize your data based on the closing dates you're working with. Now, onto an essential step in refining your report. Click on Column Actions. This option allows you to modify how your report columns are presented and calculated. From here, you can choose Calendar Month. This choice is crucial as it will group your data into calendar months, giving you a clear view of monthly trends. While we're focusing on the calendar month option, it's worth mentioning there are other grouping options available, such as fiscal month. Each serves different goals depending on your data analysis needs. And that's it! You've successfully grouped your Salesforce report data by month. This method helps in providing you with insights into how your data trends over time, supporting better business decision-making. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.